Let's take a look at the group settings page. This is where you configure your group. So in the main menu, select group settings. Right here, this is the sub-navigation for each of the sections. What we're about is where you would go in and describe what the group's about. Agreements is where you would record your agreement or agreements. Feedback, this is where you set up and create and configure feedback for the group. Activities, this is where you would turn on and turn off various modules in the group depending on how it's been configured. Member plan, this is where you turn on or turn off sections such as goal, milestones, big picture, personal motivation. Profile fields, this is where you configure what member profiles look like. Default agendas, this is where you set up the agenda for your meetings. This is the default agenda that you would pull in each time you create a new meeting. Custom branding, if you've subscribed to that, this is where you can upload a logo and configure the colors for your group. And notification settings, this is where you can configure certain customizable notifications. And so that's an overview of the group settings.